welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title of this video, today I am going to be unboxing a kids clothing bundle that I received from Joyful Bundles TT, and they are a personal shopper for your children, and they're located right here in Trinidad. So if you're anything like me and you don't have a lot of time to go out and shop for your kids, Joyful Bundle TT comes highly recommended because they have pre-designed bundles for your children, boys or girls, that are perfect and easy and beautiful for you to just purchase. So each bundle consists of 6 items and they're all valued at 800 TT, which is a steal of a deal. Usually kids clothing can be pretty expensive. It could run you like $200 to $250 a piece, and you're getting 6 pieces for 800 TT. And what's even better, wait for it, I forgot my watch, is they are currently running a special where you buy one bundle and you get your second bundle absolutely free. Oh my gosh. So you're not only getting 6 pieces of clothing for your children, but you are getting 12 pieces of clothing. 12 pieces of clothing for your children for the price of one bundle. That is honestly a huge bargain. So on average, that means that each piece of clothing is $66 to $70 TT per piece. That is insane. So I highly recommend that you click their Instagram link down below, go and follow them and look at the pieces of clothing that you can get for your children. And there's absolutely no catch. It's as simple as buy one bundle and get the second one free. So it doesn't matter if you have a son and a daughter, you can literally buy one bundle for your daughter and get the second bundle for your son regardless of age, free. So please go and check them out down below. Today I'm going to be unboxing a bundle that they sent me for my eldest son Liam, and then soon I will do another unboxing for my youngest son Theo. So make sure you check them out. They have a easy pickup location in Port of Spain where they accept both cash and card payments, and if you want to get it delivered to you, they also have a TTPOST option. So I highly suggest you get on the Instagram page, look through the options that they have for their bundles and get ordering, and make sure and tell them I sent you. So I want to thank Joyful Bundles TT for sending me this package, and it is also going to be a first impressions. I have not opened the boxes yet, so you're going to get to see what goodies I got for my son Liam, and make sure to check out my Instagram throughout the next couple of weeks because I am going to be posting all his outfits on there, so be sure to check that out. Okay, so this is what the packaging looks like, and I'm just going to open it up. Okay, so I got 5 shirts and 1 short, and the item number for this particular set, if you do like it for your child, it is, I'm going to put it on this side here, it is FT0725. So if you do like this bundle that I got, you can make sure and put in the code when you're placing your order and you get this exact one. So the first option that I got is this really cute, oh my gosh, this is a really cute monster navy blue shirt, and this is size 6 to 7. It is so cute. Like when I told him that he got this, he so wanted to shoot this video, but he's fast asleep right now, so tomorrow he's gonna get to see his clothes. He's gonna be so excited. This is very, very cute. Okay, on to the next item. We have this white shirt with palm trees on it. It looks just like this. Very cute, and it says feeling awesome and cool vibes on it. So this is what it looks like. Very cute. This with like a pair of jeans and like his black sneakers with white trim is gonna look really cute. Next we have this dude rocks. Now my son is a dinosaur genius. Like he knows every single thing there is to know about dinosaurs. So when Joyful Bundles teacher told me that they had a set that has dinosaurs in it, I was like, give me, because my son is gonna love this. So it says this dude rocks with this little T-Rex. It is super cute, and I can tell that he's gonna want to wear this all the time, and I won't be surprised if he wants to sleep in it. True story. Okay, next we have this like fluorescent. It looks really yellow on camera, but it's actually fluorescent, and it says awesome dude. Looks just like this. Very cute. Again, this like with the black jeans and his black shoes will look super, super cute. I love this. I love anything like fluorescent, so I'm really, like, I think I'm more excited about this than he even knows. Next, this is the last shirt, and it is a black print tee with white dinosaurs. And again, it's really, really cute. Like he can pair this with any bottoms. He has like a really army green pants that he loves. So this looks really cute as like a nice black and white, and then he has a pop of color. So I love this. I mean, I wish I had bundles for moms. Like, hi. Okay, and this is the shorts that comes with it. It is a really good material, a very comfy short. It's gray with like white dots all on it, and this is 6 to 7 years. I believe, and it has pockets on both sides, and the material is very, very comfy, and the waist is stretchy with this little drawstring right here. So all of these clothes are incredibly good quality. I highly recommend that you get a bundle for your kids, and oh my gosh, this buy one and get one free bundle is incredible. I can't encourage you enough to take part in it because we don't know when next they're going to have a special. So I suggest you capitalize on it and get your bundles for your son, your daughter, your two sons, your two daughters, whatever it is. I suggest you go and do it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please remember to subscribe and like this video if you did, and turn on the bell notifications if you want to be notified every time I post a new video. So please let me know if you check out Joyful Bundles TT for your kids bundles that you literally don't have to really shop for. They're already pre-made for you. It's incredible. I'm so happy that they have a service like this. So make sure to tell them that I sent you, and thank you so much Joyful Bundles TT for sending these clothes for Liam. And I can't wait to do the next unboxing so you can kind of see what 2 to 3 year old clothing is and what options they have. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. We've got a box of goodies. Might delete that, not sure.